She left this morning. Flight got off on time, believe it or not. Newark Airport had a flight get off on time. She should be there and at the spot around 8:30 tonight, Arizona time. 10:30 local. She's going to drive out there and call me when she's at the spot. Everything should be fine. She will call me, and then I'll fire up the old time machine and see what destiny holds for me. I don't like waiting alone. It drives home the immediacy of what I'm doing tonight. I just guess I'll sit here and play with my lizard. Gecko. Lizard, oh crap. You know what I mean.